Is your set date and time automatically grayed out on your iPhone 8 Plus? Don't worry, here are the complete guidelines to fix set date and time automatically grayed out on your iPhone. So let's move on to the action. Solution 1. Turn off the restrictions. Open Settings, scroll down, tap Screen Time. Scroll down, then tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. Now turn off Content and Privacy Restrictions. After that, check whether your Wi-Fi is enabled or not. Solution 2. Enable Location. Open Settings, scroll down, tap Privacy and Security, then tap Location Services. Now enable Location Services. After that, tap Share My Location. Enable Find My Location, go back, enable Share My Location, go back, scroll down, tap System Service, scroll down, enable Setting Time Zone, and also enable Share My Location. Go back and check whether the issue is solved or not. If you still have the option grayed out, follow the last solution. Solution 3. Reset all settings. Open Settings, scroll down, tap General, scroll down, then tap Transfer Reset iPhone. After that, tap Reset. Now tap Reset all settings. Then enter the passcode of your iPhone if it wants. Tap Reset all settings again. Make sure that by resetting all settings, your settings will be set to default, so make sure to remember your passcode. After that, your problem will be solved. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then drop a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you have any kind of questions, then please ask them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.